Hi, this is Stuart R. Simone of Gomez and Simone Law. Thanks for watching this video today. I'd just like to talk to you a little bit about bankruptcy. So if you're interested in bankruptcy, let me give you just a little bit of a primer on the three main chapters of bankruptcy. Chapter 7, Chapter 13, and Chapter 11. Chapter 7 is a liquidation. What that means is that you are what they call discharging your debts, especially credit card type debts. They call them unsecured debts. What does unsecured means? Unsecured means it is not attached to any real property such as your house or perhaps your car. So that's great. If you have a lot of credit card debt, you might want to file Chapter 7 and that will get rid of your credit card debt. However, it's really important for people to understand that it will not affect any liens. If you have a mortgage on your house, that is a lien on your house. The mortgage, the deed of trust, is a lien and they can foreclose on your house. So the Chapter 7 will cure the debt, but the lien will remain. Now you will get some automatic stay protection while the Chapter 7 is pending, but probably only a couple of months. So generally speaking, Chapter 7 is not a good idea if you're filing it to stop a sale. It's a good idea if you're filing it to get rid of a lot of credit card debts and you just want to start over. Now, if you have a foreclosure sale date, Chapter 13 would probably be the best option for you if you're in foreclosure. As long as the total of your loans is less than $1.1 million, you can use Chapter 13. And what that does is that takes all your missed payments, which we call the arrears, and lumps them together, and you pay them off in 60 months or 5 years at 0%. So it's like a 0% interest loan, which is great. And it immediately stops all foreclosure proceedings. And so as long as you pay your trustee payment, which is your total arrears divided by 60 every month, plus your mortgage payment, as long as you pay them both, then you have nothing to worry about. You won't have any sale dates anymore. You'll be out of foreclosure. So we highly recommend Chapter 13, generally speaking, for homeowners who haven't paid for a year or less. If it's been over a year, you may find that the trustee payment and the arrearages are just too much for you. But again, this is something we should discuss at the office at your free consultation with Gomez and Simone. Now, if your total amount of loans is over 1.1 million, this is usually for people that have multiple homes, and you're going to have to go to Chapter 11 bankruptcy. Chapter 11 is very intensive, it's expensive, but for people with multiple homes, with rental properties, this is very, very good, especially if you have rental properties that are underwater. We can cram down the amounts of those loans so that you now owe a lot less on the loans on the rental properties. There's a lot of other things we can do. So please call Gomez and Simone at 855-219-3333. Set up a free consultation and we'll talk about which bankruptcy is right for you or whether you should file bankruptcy at all. Thank you and have a great day.